I knew I wanted to do research while here on campus. Freshman year during freshman orientation, Dr. Hark had given a talk as part of that orientation weekend, and it had a little bit to do with what she does with genetics research, and I knew that was something I was interested in. So I reached out to her.
Emailed Dr. Hark, like, I'm interested in getting involved in research, and she was like great, like right away answered back and met with her, and then sophomore year I started up in the lab and have been loving it ever since. Collecting DNA from the plants, which is the code that pretty much makes plants Y the way they are, and running experiments to see if plants have certain genes or mutants that we want them to have, to then look at expression levels later. My other work is involving look at regulatory regions, which means pretty much is a gene turned on or turned off in the body. Dr. Hark and I started working on a case study, and it's going to be able to help students kind of learn about biology and all relating to Fragile X syndrome.
And I am looking at genes through a few online tools where I'm physically mapping them out where they are in different organisms, so that I'm able to look at how they evolve over time and try to see what might be affecting their evolution. Our target species is Drosophila melanogaster, which is a common fruit fly. And so we're basically just growing this data pool of trying to annotate these genes based off of the genes that are already annotated for Drosophila melanogaster. The end goal is to see how the evolution of these genes affect the overall biological pathway that these genes are a part of. We're lucky to go to a school where there are a lot of academic resources.
The faculty here are always very welcoming, supportive. I love being here during the summer. Kind of this nice little research community.
It's very nice to be able to interact with our peers, not just during the day while we're in lab, but outside of that, get to hang out, use the gym and all these other things. It's been great. It's been fun.